She walked out into the night while her mama slept and her daddy cried. She's getting hard to recognize. Where's the apple of their eyes? And the little girl they used to know, it wasn't all that long ago that she was their angel, making angels in the snow. Well, sometimes it's hard to know the road that they are traveling on. Just hope they always find their way back home. They're never too far gone. Well, he's looking for the words to say to bring her back to yesterday. Well, he reaches out as she slowly slips away. Sometimes it's hard to know the road that they are traveling on. Just hope they always find their way back home. They're never too far gone. Driving through the night, looking for a sign of life. He's praying she's alright. He's not ready to say goodbye. Sometimes it's hard to know the road that they are traveling on. Just hope they always find their way back home.